evening, dear tutor. My name is Viviana Garcia. With this video, I want to develop the final activity that is about the consonant sounds. So I have to choose three words before. So in this video, I want to explain you about these sounds and also some examples and words where we practicing these sounds. So let's begin with the first consonant. The consonant sounds k. That is, manner of articulation is plosive, the place is bilateral, and the voicing is voiceless. In this case, it is voiceless because you don't feel any vibration here in the vocal cords. So the back of your tongue block the air that goes through your throat. So that is make the sounds. So in this case, you use just the air. So let's see some examples. Here I have two sentences where I use the words that make these sounds. It was a conflict arrived late at home. Your brother is crazy. Here I have some words that make this and practices these sounds. King, can, lack, and queen. Let's see the next consonant sounds. In these consonant sounds, we have the sounds ch. The manner of articulation is effricate. The place is alveopalatal, and the voicing is voiceless. That the same thing that I said before. That you, in this case, in the sounds, you don't feel any vibration here in the vocal cords. You use just the air. So here there are friction with the air and your tongue. Here is the alveopalatal and the sounds and the tongue behind your teeth. Here is your teeth. So this friction make the sounds ch. Okay, so this sound is called voiceless alveopalatal effect. Let's see some examples that the sentences that I have to words with these sounds. I like the American cultures. I think that he will choose the blue sweater. Here there are two words. Here is one, cultures, and another one is choose. Here are some words that let me practice the sounds. Check. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. Aquí. Check. Challenge. Chat. Let's see the next consonant sounds is M. The manner of articulation is nasal, the place is bilabial, and the voicing is voice. In this case, there are vibrations, so you feel the vibration here in the vocal cords because your lips are together and the air don't go through your mouth. So the air go through your nose. So the sound is nasal. So this sound is called voice bilabial nasal. Let's see the examples. There are two sentences that have two words that make this type of sound. I make my bed every day. He smiles when he hears the good news. There are two words, that is the first one, that is make, and the smile. Here there are some words that we practice the sounds. Make, run, smile. Okay, dear tutor, that's all. That is my video about the consonants.